Please note that this video is purely for entertainment purposes. We utilize advanced editing techniques and high-quality CGI to recreate scenes.
Ah, damn. Hey man, what's good YouTube? Y'all boys see that I will be sliding every corner in this video. It is a little difficult doing it with one hand, but I can do anything. You feel me? You feel me? Look, watch this. This not the trenches, but this is like the real doom babies. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and slide. I did not slide that shit. I upshifted too fast. That was my bad. My bad, but I'm getting robbed. I'm a little rusty, you feel me? I'm a little rusty. Hold on. But you know what I'm saying? I'm finna get better. No cap, no cap, no bap, no rap. No cap. No cap. But y'all boys, hit that subscribe button, that like button now. I do have a slight exhaust leak. Talking about, nigga, holding that bitch, one hand.
He needs some milk.
Fuck. And I am a twig. I'm on the east side with it. If y'all don't know, I stay on nothing but the east side. Nothing but the east side, buddy. I'm not sliding right here. Absolutely fucking not. That hard ass road, absolutely not. And today it feels good as hell today. It's like 75 degrees. Well, I'm lying. It's probably like 80 degrees. But let me look. It don't tell me on here. It tell me on here though. 81 degrees. I don't know. Yep, 81 degrees outside. It feels a little decent. Yeah, I'm not sliding on this hard ass pavement. Absolutely not. I will be getting my exhaust leak fixed. Hint, not just actually fixing the leak, but I will be doing something big for you guys because you guys have asked me to do it for 11K. I will do it for 11K. Okay, buddy. We will be doing something big, buddy. Okay? Okay. Now, I know I said I would be sliding every corner. This is not me sliding. I do not participate in any activities of illegal activities of burning tire, nothing around those lines. I do not participate in no street racing. I do not participate in sliding cars. Oh, that SRTG? Oh yeah, that's that one nigga that lived by me. BQ sound a little decent. It do got that exhaust leak, but it don't sound that bad whenever I get on it a little bit. Downshift so nasty. And I got my Chick-fil-A over here, gang. I need to go throw that away. God damn. God damn. I ain't gonna lie, VQ, this bitch been pushing. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch been pushing, nigga. I'm finna turn right here, slide right here real quick. Let me make sure nobody behind me or nothing like that. God damn! I told y'all niggas I'm clicking today, nigga. I'm on that. I'm on that. I'm on that shit, nigga. I'm on all that shit. Let me get the fuck up out of here, bro. I should not do this shit over here. I need to go. Let me get up out of here. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys. I'm finna pull over real quick so I can show y'all the car real quick. I did get a wash clean. But y'all, I should not be doing this shit. I'm buying a whole golf course and some more shit. Them niggas is looking. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm terrified right now. I'm terrified. What the f? Alright, I'm tweaking, bro. They show got a little show. I put on a little show for them niggas, bro. But y'all boys see, I have indeed got my new phone, 14 Pro Max. If you don't know, y'all be commenting and texting me in my DMs that my quality be A1. 14 Pro Max. My original phone that I had was a 13 Pro Max. And don't mind all of that shit over there. I was just with my sunroof drain and some more shit because it was leaking a little bit. Because I don't know why, but it's leaking from the bottom of the glove box. It's not even coming from where I did my work at. So if y'all can let me know, because I'm probably gonna have to take off the glove box all the way over there and see what's going on over there. And yeah. Slide. I'm not sliding right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hell no, I'm not sliding right there. But right now, I'm finna go pick up my camera woman. So let's go ahead and pick her up, and then I'm gonna get on a little side street and show y'all the VQ real quick. You know what I'm saying? Boom!
I be by myself a lot, cause it be hard to trust you, nigga. Found out we playing space, I play my cards a little bit.
YouTube! Alright, man, y'all niggas.
Oh!
Hard R is crazy.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Y'all boys see it, man. VQ, this is the VQ right now. I do got a little slight exhaust leak. Like, I think, like, right here in my Y pipe. I don't know what's going on with that shit. But y'all boys see this VQ, man. ESR RF2s, if y'all don't know. I do got GTR headlights. I'm lowered on Swift lowering springs. I do want to go lower in the back, but it is what it is. Walk around real quick. Y'all boys see it yourself, man. But right now, what we're gonna do, I've already spun. Well, I have not spun, but I will be spinning later. Well, the car will be spinning later, and it won't be me spinning. Or, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm trying to say. That nigga speed, what the f? That nigga go. I do hear that exhaust leak. That exhaust leak is fucking annoying. I have Beluga test pipes. If y'all don't know, I got Beluga. What up, young man? How we doing? Yo! I don't know who that is. But I got Beluga test pipes, Megan white pipe, Dynamax race bullets, that's my resonators, and a muffler delete and 4-inch tips. I will be... But if y'all don't know, I've also put Twinkle Starlights, Suede. Go watch that video. That video was a banger. Y'all niggas will love that shit, so go watch it. Let's look at the tread on my tire. What the fuck? Oh, the tread not that bad. Yeah. Oh, fuck, that bitch. Oh, that bitch. Oh. Y'all boys see, the right tire good as hell. The left tire always wears out faster, but... Shut up! I know, I spin to my left side more. I spin to that side more, but I don't know. I already got another tire at home I can put on. So I'm gonna get to y'all boys and this tire up even more. And yeah. That bitch better get out the fucking way. I gotta fix that leak, dude. Fucking hell. Why the f? Oh, it was still in 2, that's why. That makes sense. Man, where's all the cars at, man? I'm finna cut out here, bro. Where's Control at? He need to get some content in with his Hellcat. What the hell are you on to? These so like, what the fuck? Let me go ahead and get up out of here. East side be hot as a swear to God. I got hella smoke coming in here, bro. There's too much smoke coming in here, bro. Oh my gosh, I gotta air this bitch out for a minute. I gotta let this air out for a minute, and I gotta check my tire. I might be done.
Cap.
I might be done, I won't lie. That tire probably bald as a swear to God, that's it. Bro, that bald as a bitch. I know it's bald as a
Cap.
Who say we ain't getting paid?
I ain't gonna lie, that got sideways at the. That's because the tire bald as shit. Hold on, Scurly, be quiet. Be quiet, Scurly. Swung too easy, way too easy. I just put it in neutral X and I'm tweaking. For the simple fact that today is a Saturday, I can't just spin that out, bruh. Like, I need to move around tomorrow. Hold on there. Stop that car. But it's just the simple fact that today is Saturday and I absolutely need my car tomorrow. I gotta go to church and some more stuff, so come on now tomorrow. So I need this tire for right now. I gotta save this tire for now. Don't get on my ass in the comments, gang. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, man. I got a life. I need that tire. Badly.
I was 15 trying to sell my daddy green dot. I got out in 13, then I dropped the beat.
What did Lily do? Bro, what are you talking about, man? But y'all boys see that I am parked up. Let's go ahead and check on the tire, man. I know that ball is hell. Don't mind that voice crack. I know that voice crack was nasty as hell.
Oh, hell no!
Oh yeah, that bitch bald, gang. That bitch overly bald. Yeah, that bitch overly bald, gang. Yeah. I gotta chill, man. I gotta chill for right now, bro, because I gotta get to church and I gotta get around tomorrow. So Monday, I'm gonna have to go to the tire shop. I already got a tire sitting at home that I can just slap on here already. So I'm gonna just go ahead, go home, get that tire in the back seat, and then Monday we're gonna get prepared to put that tire on. Let's go look at the other side. I didn't even look at the other side yet. Oh yeah, the other side's still decent. Yeah, that's because I figured, because I slide on this side more than that side. I mean, I'm not kind of surprised. I feel a little bit more comfortable with me sliding when I slide that way. When I slide that way, it's like butter. But when I slide the other way, it's a little, you know what I'm saying? But this is more than likely gonna be the end of the video because I don't want to do too much with this tire right here. But let's look at a little VQ real quick. And we got a big mod coming up. If y'all don't know, y'all been asking me to do this for a little minute. And it's not a turbo, so don't even ask that shit. I'm getting a new car instead of that shit. But y'all boys, let me know. Comment down below what you think it is. I hope this wind is not too bad because this wind is a little atrocious right now. But let me see. Y'all boys see the VQ, man. Decent tread, yeah. I got 4 new tires, and all these tires is brand fucking new. Like, I literally just got these tires, and I burned the bitches to fucking grits in less than a month. Oh, one of them. But we are going to see at what we're gonna do next because tomorrow we will be going to church. This old bitch better go around, my boy. Fat ass exhaust leak, man. Coming from my white pipe. I think it disconnected like right there. Right there where the boot is at, that bitch disconnected. When I put my hand up to it, that bitch wobbled, but so I would fix it right now. But it's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure I hit that like button, subscribe button. It's been your boy Treezyy, and I'm gone.
W modification in the chat. W modification for VQ boy. W.
What the fuck?